Here's something that's hot in the world of cooling. It's called Colorado.
Air conditioning takes a lot of energy, but here at Colorado in Denver, they've come up with a new technology that uses only 1/10 of the energy of a traditional air conditioner.
The Colorado system puts a whole new twist on evaporative cooling.
All right, so this uses evaporation to cool, but it's not a swamp cooler.
It's not a swamp cooler. The technical name for the process is called indirect evaporative cooling.
Unlike most systems that use water to cool, Colorado doesn't add any moisture to the air. Instead, with Colorado, half the air drawn in is saturated with water and goes back into the atmosphere, while the other half is cooled without adding water, and that's what goes into your house.
It's comfortable, it's ideal humidity air, and it's fresh.
And while air conditioners recycle air, Colorado always brings in fresh stuff.
So you guys are pulling in air from the outside constantly. You're not recycling what's inside the actual
No
house.
recycled air. It's 100% fresh air, so it's a healthier environment.
And unlike a regular AC, the Colorado doesn't use any Freon. Plus, it draws much less power. Another solar panel demonstration proves the point.
So you're actually cooling a 3,000 square foot home with just a couple solar panels.
With 4 solar panels, that's all it takes. And the key to it is that the air conditioner only takes 600 watts of power to do that.
That's about what it takes to power 6 light bulbs.
Yeah, Colorado, this unit's pulling about 550 watts right now. And a traditional air conditioner, doesn't matter the manufacturer, is going to take about 6,000 watts.
Outstanding. That's energy efficiency.
Here's another way to measure the juice you burn while cooling.
So let's compare energy consumption. Here is your standard window air conditioner with 1.5 tons of cooling power. And it is drawing 7.7 amps. And now the Colorado unit, which is giving you 3 tons of cooling power, that's twice as much, is drawing 2.4 amps. So in terms of energy efficiency, there is really no contest.
Okay, so how does the Colorado system do it? Check it out. The heart of the system is the heat mass exchanger, or HMX, made up of thin plastic sheets they call plates.
This is kind of the insides of that heat transfer unit.
And this plate is a solid piece of plastic on one side. That's the heat transfer surface. It's polypropylene. On the other side is a polypropylene fiber, and that wicks the water.
The specially made plates contain channels that draw the moisture. At the Colorado factory, the sheets of polypropylene are cut, stacked, and pressed.
So this is it. This is what it looks like when they're all stacked together, huh?
80 plates go into make one heat mass exchanger.
Next, they frame them up. With an inlet for water added, it's ready to go.
There's 5 heat and mass exchangers in here. They're going in a modular fashion. They stack up 5 of them. You got your water distribution system, your fan.
Yeah, that's a cool looking fan.
Amazingly, that fan is one of just 2 moving parts in the whole unit. It's a simple idea that's pretty powerful in terms of cooling.
Thermal camera really can show us the cooling power. Now, red is hot and blue is cold. As you can see, air coming in is at 120 degrees, really red, and as it goes deeper and deeper into the heat mass exchange unit, comes out blue on the other side at 65 degrees in a matter of seconds.
Colorado works best in high, dry climates. So at least in the West, it's a green way to chill out.
I mean, it's pretty cool. Pretty Colorado, as they say.